Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.9% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.5% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dropped 1.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.8% during the session. The stochastic RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Indian oil-to-telecoms giant Reliance Industries reported earnings that missed analysts' estimates, despite a strong performance by its core oil refining business. The conglomerate, which is owned by Asia's richest man, Mukesh Ambani, reported a net profit of $2.25 billion between April and June. Rishi Sunak and Liz Truss, two politicians for the country's Conservative Party, are in the final running to replace Boris Johnson after his resignation earlier this month, and face an uphill struggle to revive an economy battling record inflation, anemic growth and labour shortages. The Australian dollar managed to gain some ground against the pound despite a mixed market mood. Asian stock markets headed lower, with China's Shanghai Composite and Hong Kong's Hang Seng both down.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index will be released at 14:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes will be released at 23:50 GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO expectations at 0800 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.